before that, before going to the topic, we should know what is design thinking. What are the stages of design thinking? Can anyone say what is design thinking?
It is a human-centered, iterative process and creative problem solving.
Okay, sit down. Very good. So it is a human-centric approach. So that means so if we design a product or if we propose a project, it should be human-centric. That is, for whom we are designing the product, we should collect the feedback and their requirements from the customer and the users whom they are using the product, so that it will be successful. Okay, that is called design thinking. So we should think out of box. Okay, so what are the stages? What are the 5 stages?
Empathize, design, ideate, prototype, test.
Very good, sit down. So there are 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, test. So in empathy, that is, we are collecting the feedback and requirements from the customer or the user, and define part. After collecting all the details, we should define what is the specific problem they are facing. And in ideate, we can what are all the ideas we can propose? What are all the sensors or what are all the products can we use to design that project? Okay, and after that it can be tested. Prototype, after making the prototype, we can test the prototype for proper working. Okay, so these are the 5 stages. And let us move on to the topic. First, IIoT. What is meant by IIoT? IIoT means industrial IoT. What is IoT? Internet of Things. Okay, so in healthcare, so we can take hospitals. So what are the problems faced in hospitals? That is empathy.
The patient should be watched continuously, ma'am, and also need to be aware of emergency calls.
Very good. Sit down. So the patients should be watched continuously. That is their heartbeat, and if the patient is connected with trips, where it will be gained. Okay, and healthcare needs fast monitoring and medicine alerts. Okay, in ICU, it should be automated. Okay, so these are the empathy points. So after collecting the empathy points, what is the next stage? Define. Okay, can anyone define? Yes.
So, monitor the patient's continuously.
Okay. So define as to monitor the patient continuously and give, for what purpose? For giving early warning system during emergency. So this is the define part. And ideate. What are all the it is IoT technology. So what are the ideas we can propose? We can use more sensors. Okay. So what are the ideas can we include to implement IIoT in healthcare?
Smart ambulance tracking.
Ambulance tracking, very good.
Smart ICU monitor.
Small ICU monitoring,
Automated medicine reminder.
automated medicine. Then so we can include some points. That is, we can use some sensors to monitor the patient continuously. We can use temperature sensor to monitor the temperature. We can use pressure sensor, oxygen sensor, and heartbeat sensors. Okay, so using all the sensors, we can implement IIoT healthcare system to monitor the patient continuously and give early warning. Okay, so can anyone summarize the points? So can anyone say, summarize the today's topic?
The most important stages: empathize, to monitor patients continuously and medicine management, and define, continuously monitoring patients
To monitor patient continuously.
and give warnings.
Okay.
And ideate part, we can use some advanced sensors like pressure sensor, oxygen sensor and heart sensor, and we can use mobile apps.
Okay, we can use mobile apps, we can use some sensors in bed. Okay, so these are the IEEE products. Very excellent. So hope this video will help you to understand what is design thinking and what is IIoT and how it can be implemented in healthcare system. Thank you.